Hello friends, welcome to Shaker and channel. Today we can discuss about the day 5 of SQL interview preparation. Friends, if you don't see the previous videos, please click on my channel name and watch the previous videos. Friends, now today we can discuss about these three problems. Identify the most selling product, get all total revenue and number of orders per region, and for third one, count customers with more than 5 orders. We can see the one by one. First, we can insert the table, and this is the column sales ID, product ID, and quantity and sale date. Now we can select this and run. Table is created successfully. Now we can insert the values. Select this and run. Values are inserted successfully. Now we can write the code for identify the most selling products. Now we can see this is the code for finding the most selling product. We can select this and run. We can get the most selling product. Product ID 101 is total quantity, 14 is the highest selling product. We can see here 115, 117, 12, 112, total 14. Now we can go to the next problem. Get total revenue and number of orders per region. We can first create table and insert data. First we can create the table. We can select this and run. In this has order ID, customer ID and region. Total amount and order date is present. Now we can insert the values. We can select this and run. We can successfully create it. Now we can write the get total revenue and number of orders per region. We can code for that. Friends, if you see that this is the code for finding the get total revenue and number of orders per region. In here we can select the region and the sum of total amount. Then next we can count the number of rows for number of orders because there is different number of orders names, and group by region and order by region. Now we can select this and run. We can get the regions and total revenue and number of orders per region. Then go to the next question. Count customers with more than 5 orders. We can see this. First we can create a table and insert data. And if we see, we can create this orders table, order ID and customer ID and order date. We can now insert these values into the table. We can insert these values successfully. Now we can count the customers with more than 5 orders. We can write the code now. And if you see this code, in here we can select the customer ID and count of rows from orders, group by customer ID, and we have the write the condition using having count customer greater than 5 times, in which means in this has more than 5 times customer ID repeated. It can get the more than 5 orders. Those persons who's more than 5 orders, we can print there. We can select this and run. You can see only one customer ID, one person whose orders more than 5 orders. Friends, if you gain the knowledge from my videos, please like, share, subscribe to Shaker and channel.